Oweekitiibwa Ssaalongo ne Nnaalongo Kibuuka, Nnaalinnya, abakungu ba Ssaabasajja, Abalangira n'Abambejja, abakungu ba Ssaabasajja mwenna, bassebo ne bannyabo, tubaaniriza ku mukolo gwaffe guno ogwa Speak Day. Tuyongera okuyozaayoza abaana baffe mwenna abasobodde okutuuka ku lunaku luno, era tubeebaza okutindigga eŋŋendo ne mutwegattako. Amannya agange nze Consolata Nakaweesa, nzaalibwa Inginiya Yowakimu Mudde Kaweesa, mutabani wa Yoanna Kizito e Bumbo Mawokota. Ate era nzaalibwa omukyala Jenny Namakula, muwala w'omugenzi Kabiso Ssemwogerere, awo e Butoolo Mawokota. Mpeereddwa omukisa guno okusobola okubategeeza ku biki bye tuyiseemu era bye tutuuseeko nga Sitegedde Foundation. Mu mwaka 2018 twawandiika ekitabo Sitegedde English Luganda Phrasebook. Kino ekitabo kyawandiikibwa awamu ne bannaffe nga bwe twali tuweereza mu bbendobendo lya East London. Bw'otunula mu kitabo ekyo ekya Sitegedde, amannya ffenna nga bwe twali tuweereza era bwe twakola ku kitabo kino mwegali. Ate mu mwaka 2019 twateekawo ekibiina kya Sitegedde Foundation. Mu mwaka 2020 ne tuteekawo London Virtual Academy. Mu mwaka 2022 tuzze tufulumya obutabo obw'enjawulo. Twawandiika Gatonya, twakawandiikako series emu ne tukyalina series endala 11 ze tugenda okuwandiika. Twawandiika ekitabo Omusajja Omuganda, ate era ne tuwandiika n'ekitabo ebiyitibwa Sitegedde Possessive Series. Byonna n'ebitabo biri 4. Ate mu mwaka 2023 ne tuteekawo omutimbagano oguyitibwa Sitegedde Website. Mu mwaka 2024 ne tuteekawo era teera ku mutimbagano ne tuteekawo Sitegedde YouTube channel. YouTube channel eyo kuliko okuyiga kungi ddala. Tubadde tusaba mugukozese okuyiga oba okusomesa olulimi Oluganda. We invite you to subscribe so that you are alerted when we upload new learning materials, publications, engero nga social stories ku mitimbagano egyo. Ate era twongera ne tubasaba mugende eyo sharing ne family. Please do discover the wealth of lessons on Sitegedde Foundation on YouTube. Use it to learn, use it to improve, or even teach Luganda. Please share the channel with your family and friends and the whole family so that you can all enjoy learning together. Nga nkyayogera ate era okubategeeza ku biki bye tutuuseeko, mbadde nsaba ate era mbannyonnyole biki bye tutegeka okukola. So forecasting from 2025 to 2030. Online, anywhere, anytime webinars, where we are going to continue engaging with our past students to form an active Luganda club in order to ensure continuous learning programs. We are pursuing more formal structure, legal affiliation and qualifications. We want to ensure consistency in our annual recruitment and selection. We hope to be periodically featuring on BBS, this is Buganda Broadcasting Service, as well as CBS FM. We are inspiring other diaspora regions to start online Luganda instruction activities or even form a consortium. We want to continue with our storytelling, our written audios and visual, but also, and this is quite a substantial project that we have in mind, we would like to increase our resources. We want more personnel. We're looking for funding. We would like our teachers to become a Luganda LAN qualified teachers. So where are we at in terms of our forecasting our annual revenue growth? We want to grow our revenue via book sales. We want to further increase our year-on-year take-up rate. We welcome learners registering, but we want the same learners to go on and enroll. Please do bring your siblings along, bring your friends, share the course. We want to build on our numbers, which we have achieved over the past 5 years. We have enrolled or registered 160 pupils. These are the pupils that have passed through Luganda Virtual Academy. With your involvement, via your word of mouth, and hopefully if you continue to spread the word of mouth, these numbers will go on to increase. So what are our main areas of focus? We are focusing in particular on capacity building. Twetaagayo abasomesa. We need resources. Twagala mu kutuwa obudde, time, personnel. Please do volunteer. And if you're interested in volunteering, please contact us at info@sitegedde.com. Abawandiisi, twetaaga abawandiisi in order to publish the remaining series okuva omwezi ogwokubiri okutuusa omwezi ogwa Museenene. Obutabo obw'ensangi zino, we want to increase vocabulary, okukwatagana n'embeera mwe bakulidde abaana baffe be tusomesa. The environment, there could be books about trains, lukulana, omupiira, social stories around that. Ate era twandyagadde okwongeza okusoma okweyagalire, which we call leisure reading. And our other main area of focus is around technology. We want to maximize the opportunities that technology presents to the Virtual Academy. We want to maintain the Luganda online courses. We want to use technology to deliver personalized training programs in real time. We want our learners to become independent. We want them to use our website for guided learning, where learners can go and book a specific class and where we're able to add our homework. So that is it in a nutshell. In terms of our achievements from Sitegedde, please do take time to visit our website so that you can have a look and visually have a picture. They are also in the program that you have before you today, so you can actually have a preview of the various publications that we do have. I do sincerely thank you. First of all, I would like to congratulate our students. Well done to you all. And once again, I thank you all for joining us today. And I hope that we have managed to persuade you and to share with you what it is that we've achieved so far, and may it continue. I remain Ms. Consolata Nakawesa, and open to take any questions. Thank you very much.